I was 50 pages in when I read The Year of the Death of Ricardo Reis. Something about this book just reminded me of my experience of reading Dance Dance Dance, and I immediately wanted to start reading it again. And I'm so glad I did because both these books complement each other in so many unexpected ways. They both deal with characters who are no longer alive. So the protagonists interact with the ghosts of dead people. They both portray characters who are in search of themselves and find it difficult to define themselves in a world that is just growing more and more unrecognizable, strange, and alienated. The threat of modernity, modern life, old things becoming more modern, having more utility and less personality, less substance, less depth. So there is that loss of belonging and personal connection in objects and things. I like how both books deal with the interiorities of a character's life. So this not only relates to what the protagonist is thinking and feeling, but also just the way that the characters inhabit a room or a space and the relationship they have with objects. There is also an existential sadness that exists in both books. Both characters continue to live, they continue to dance, 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 go through the motions of life, seeking and searching. But at the end, they realize that certain connections and reconciliations with life and living will always be beyond their reach. It's like a void that cannot be filled. Thinking about it now, I feel that Dance, Dance, Dance is more intimately contemplative and emotional because in Ricardo Reis, the character, the protagonist, is very distant, very detached in his search for meaning. So if you compare that to Dance Dance Dance, definitely Dance 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 is a lot more emotionally grounded than Ricardo Reis. But I think that both these books, both novels, show a very different side to the same emotional struggle. Both books sketch a very vivid and bittersweet portrait of what it means to be and feel human.